Okay, this video is going to teach you how to make or get free ringtones off your cell phone. First, you have to hack the cell phone of the wireless SIM card. Take off the top and the battery. Take out the SIM card and place it there. Now, I'm going to put your phone down, your battery in, and slide over the top. Now, when you turn on your phone, wait for mine to load. It should come up as please insert SIM card or no SIM card in the phone or something like that. So what you want to do is press SOS, no, in that order, and then press 966-525-08121. Then you press call. As you can see right here, you press call, and it says please insert SIM card. Alright, now that you've hacked your SIM card, it's the wireless number has went to the SIM card in this little thing right here. So once you now you take the SIM card, take the battery off, put the SIM card in, put the battery in, and put the top on. Then when you turn it on, wait for it to load. This will work with any Alltel or AT&T or Verizon phone. Oh, I didn't enter the SIM card the right way, sorry. Well, okay, when you get the SIM card in, you turn it on, you're going to press the same number that you did, just rewind the video and listen to the number again, then press that in there, press call, and it will let you call, and then it brings you up to free internet, and you, with a list of top 100 ringtones, just pick them and you get them. There you go.